So by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a get started menu for a common Facebook page. Like you can see here, it's able to auto reply for new users that are coming in to your page for the first time. So they're able to see the basic menu for the particular page that you have. So you're able to purchase uh, from the bot, and even make the order to your to your place. So you can even make payment, like you can see here. So this will initiate M-Pesa SDK push. So you can see the order, pending payment, table 2 and all that. And you're able to go to the home page and view the menu of the restaurant. You're also able to, from chat with a human, request that you want to chat with a human. This will trigger an email or an SMS as you said, and also you're able to share your phone number. You can just input your phone number. This will be shared with the hotel just in case your issue wasn't solved. And you can see that the communication that's there. You will also be able to create persistent menus. You can also be able at any given time to view this. It's more appearing on a phone than on a basic website when you're using Messenger or a Facebook app. So it's the same. You configure for that for uh, you configure for using the platform, the chezakamawewe platform. So let's get started with the platform. So to get started, you go to chezakamawewe.com, which is the platform that automate and connect to Facebook to enable you to automate the interaction with the users that come to your site. So this is they have templates for various industries, from real estate to fashion, e-commerce, so that you don't have to code, you don't have to write any code, you just use our templates that we've developed for the various business scenarios. So when you log in, there is this lessons, which is what you're doing. So you first of all have to connect your Facebook account to chezakamawewe. So what that does, it imports your Facebook page, the page that you are admin or you have editorial rights. It will import to chezakamawewe, and now you're able to configure. So for me, I had imported. I'm logged in as Stephen Kemani, but my real name's Stephen Gether here. So this will be Africa Bristol, which has been connected. So you see that like this particular client we haven't connected, but you're able to connect this. So in the first instance, you have to connect, click connect. Once you've done that, you go to the dashboard and click get started. And now it will show you the various commands that you're able to do. Like for the basic bot settings, you're able to set them from here. So under the bot, like you're able to set a keyword and the basic reply that will be there. So supposing that you go to the bot and you say Sasa, so there is that auto reply of an e-commerce site, and you can be able even to type, make it seem a person that's typing. the delay, you're able to set all that. So also you're able to set what products you want that command to reply to, and the basic button that will be set there. So it can be Nunua Sasa, or if you want, you can have buy now or anything. You can be able to configure that. So there are a number of options. This the keyword reply for the bot throughout the chat. You can set as many as possible based on what you want. There are other actions like the get started, which is what I showed you earlier. That this for the first person, the person that's coming to the site for the first time. So you just enable again display like you're typing maybe for 4 or 3 seconds, and then you're able to use tag like first name. This is the Facebook first name that they're using, and the basic information that you want them to see. So you can also use emojis like to make it, the communication fun and all that. And now you add the buttons. You can be able to add the button. Remember that we selected the reply type. There are all those reply type. They can be text, can be images, videos, audios, quick reply, which entails like if you want to get the phone number, the email, it's under quick reply of the user. Text and button, that's what I'm showing you. Generic templates, which are templates that you had created earlier that you want to reuse. There is the media one-time notification. This a Facebook functionality that enables subscription to a given topic. Maybe you want to be notifying tenants when their rent is due. You can do that from one-time notification. And then the e-commerce, which is somewhat the ability to sell from within the bot. So I'll just save this. That's now the getting started. That's what in iOS it would be get started. I think it's icebreaker or something, but it's essentially the same functionalities. So for persistent menu, which were the menu that I showed you earlier, the menu that will appear at any time in the conversation, you're able also to configure them from here. So the same approach applies where you're able to, but for this one you have just a post back and web web URL, which will go now to your website. And for this one, you have also configured like an e-commerce bot that will reply to that. So you can add using this template, just like you added the earlier template, you'll be able to do the same here. So after you've done with the persistent menu, you have to publish. So the process of publishing entails now our system pushing to Facebook or communicating to Facebook on the persistent menu that will be there now. So yeah, that's it. That's it for, actually we have the templates that you can configure. Like if you want the getting started, I think we've seen that. If no match, let's say someone typed something that the bot didn't understand, you can have a default template that will reply to that. So like this one, you can set it. Sorry, couldn't find any content to show. Well, I think a better information could be sorry, we did not understand you. Please. You can say, yeah, and, you can, sorry, first name. We didn't get it. You can put an emoji there of a person who is not happy, not, yeah, embarrassed, or, yeah, something. And we can have these being text and button. Then web view full. Then we can copy this from the e-commerce. The e-commerce store will be the last lesson in this series. So just copy the store URL, and then you go there, you're able to do that, then you update. If not much is found, this will be what your user will be seeing. Yeah, and there are other, for those that want people to subscribe and subscribe, there's the default template for requesting the email, and yeah, for requesting the location, requesting their birthday, talk to a human template, talk to a bot template, all those you can be able to set, but it's basically the same procedure that I have used. Yeah, well, let's see you in the next lesson too.